Welcome, I'm Terry and this is Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're tackling a common kitchen dilemma, what to do when you don't have buttermilk on hand. Most of us know the common hack of using regular milk and lemon juice or vinegar to replace buttermilk. But what about the dry mix you need in making your own ranch dressing mix, or to add to pancake and waffle mix for that special homemade taste? Whether you're an avid baker or just love having versatile ingredients ready, making your own dry buttermilk is a game changer. It's simple, quick, and perfect for all your baking needs. So grab your apron and let's do this. This may be the easiest recipe I've ever shared with you. You need dried milk and cream of tartar. Now when you mix up regular milk with vinegar or lemon juice, that acidity helps to make your buttermilk. With the dry milk, this cream of tartar is going to add your acidity. So the regular recipe is a half a cup of dry milk and 3 level teaspoons of cream of tartar. I'm going to make a multiple batch, so I'm going to do probably about 4 or 5 times that, however much I have milk for. This is a cup measure, so that's going to be 2 times, 4 times. Maybe I'll do 5 times so I'm sure it fits in my jar. Now a regular recipe calls for 3 level teaspoons or 1 level tablespoon of cream of tartar. I'm going to do 5 times that, so 5 tablespoons or 15 teaspoons. Now we're just going to mix it up till it's well incorporated. Now, some of my dry milk has gotten kind of packed down, so it's got some lumps in it. We're going to break all those up. Now this works great in mixes that require buttermilk, like a ranch dressing mix. But if you want to make it into a liquid, it's not going to have the same thickness as regular buttermilk. So you need to allow for that if you're going to try and use it as a liquid. It's best used as a dry mix, just like the stuff you buy in the grocery store, but cheaper and easy to put together and have ready. This can be stored right in your cupboard. It doesn't have to be refrigerated, and it's ready all the time. Okay, now I have a jar that has an airtight lid that I've labeled so I can store it in my pantry. And there you have it, your very own dry buttermilk mix, ready to elevate your recipes. A dry buttermilk mix that you can store and use whenever you need it. No more last-minute trips to the store or skipping recipes because you don't have buttermilk. It can't get much easier than this. I hope you enjoyed this kitchen hack and be sure to give it a try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome kitchen tips and hacks. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. And until next time, have fun in the kitchen.